In this video, I'm going to show you how to highlight duplicate rows in Google Sheets. Before we proceed, make sure you subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get daily tech videos. Let's get started. Sheets Refiner is a free plugin for Google Sheets that lets you manipulate sheet data based on various conditions. One such tool it has duplicates highlighter and remover. With this, you can highlight duplicate or unique rows in the currently opened Google Sheet with ease. Install this plugin from Google Marketplace using the link in description. Next, allow it to access your Google Drive. You can find this in the add-ons menu of the sheet. Open any sheet and from the add-ons menu select the Remove Duplicates option. Specify the highlight color and other options such as skipping header rows. Finally, click on the Refine Sheet button and it will highlight duplicate rows with the specified color. This is as simple as that. That's it guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe us for more.